Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Heritage Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in heritage.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Heritage Bank website. Now in order to log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top right corner, which will take you into the login portal. Once you're inside the login portal, type in your membership number within the member number option. This is the membership number that you are given when you sign up for your account. Now within the password box, go ahead and type in your account password and then click on the login button. Once you do this, you will be logged into your Heritage Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will need to call on the helpline or click on the option that shows the phone number and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Heritage Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.